welcome to my artist vlog. If we haven't met before, nice to meet you. I'm Jay. I am a mixed media artist who's been creating content on platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. But this is actually my second time ever doing a full-length vlog like this, so I really appreciate you tuning in. Over the past 3 months, I have been preparing a shop update for my keycaps, and then last week was when I finally decided to launch the update, in which I am so grateful to say that almost everything was sold out just minutes upon release. I was actually kind of worried about posting on social media again because I pretty much hibernated through the winter. So my social subscription was on pause. I was inactive in life, socially, physically. So a month prior to the shop update, I received this little guy in the mail. And because I was so excited to use my Fujifilm, I actually gained so much more motivation to create content. It also helps that there are more daylight and that it is spring because the trees are becoming alive again and there are so many pretty flowers in my neighborhood that just makes me want to go out and find inspiration. And since I just got my new Fujifilm, I decided to level up my photography game through product catalog. If you were to look at the listings on my shop or my recent Instagram posts, you're gonna see that I played around a lot with the lighting and also curating environments for specific keycap designs. Even though this was just me photographing things to list onto my shop, I feel like it helped me find that spark to start creating content again. Overall, I am so grateful that all of these designs have been so well received, and now that they've all been adopted, let's go pack them together. But first off, let's make some matcha. Sesame, can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss? Good boy. Usually I like to add a bit of honey into my matcha as my sweetener, but today we have some homemade strawberry syrup, so let's see what that tastes like. The strawberry flavor is definitely there, but I think I made the syrup itself a bit too sweet. Next time I just gotta go easier on the sugar. Otherwise, this tastes really good. Alright, tea break's over. Let's start packing. We're not going to do a full storage room tour today because there are products in here that I'm planning to show in another video, and also because the room itself is a mess, in which you're going to see in a little bit, but you're not going to see the full extent of the mess. We're going to get the packaging for our individual keycaps, which are usually these ones. But I just found out that I still have some of these fancier looking ones left over from last year. So we're going to be using up all of these before getting into the other ones. And then I'm going to try to find my business cards. Pretty sure they're not over on this side. Nope. These are just stickers. And then I don't know what these are, but these are definitely not business cards. Okay, so we may have a slight problem because I can't find the business cards. I'm pretty sure they're in this room because last week I was just packing orders with them, but today they're just nowhere to be found. I guess we'll figure it out. Okay, so I can't find them for now, but let's just grab these cotton fillings so that we can have something to work with. Alright, so due to a little setback, I don't think we can get all the orders ready by today, but what we can do is go through our list of supplies and see what can be done today. We've got some packaging boxes that we can assemble. We've also got the individual keycap containers along with the polyfill that we can put together today. What we don't have are the business cards, and I don't think they're going to be coming anytime soon, unfortunately. So my solution is to create some thank you cards. I've gone ahead and ordered some cardstock paper that hopefully will arrive by tomorrow morning because I paid for express delivery. As for today, I want to design a simple but personable thank you card layout. And I feel like a thank you card will work because I can still put my brand in there, but make things more fun for whoever receives these packages. The other two things that I'll be doing today are printing out the shipping labels and making my freebie stickers. All right, Mr. Rolo, do your thing. So it is the next day, and even though it's 5 p.m., as long as there's still light out, the day is not over. So let's do some work. Okay, this is definitely not enough boxes for the amount of orders that we have, so let's take out the other ones. I think I forgot how to assemble this. Okay, the packages are ready to go. I am so happy that it's finally spring because for the past 2 weeks it's been so awfully rainy and gloomy that all I wanted to do was absolutely nothing. But today though, today is a great day out. It's super sunny, it's super bright, the weather is really warm. I don't know why I'm wearing this jacket because it's getting toasty. So I think that it's a perfect day for us to go and grab some flowers together. Let's do it. A variation. Look at this gorgeous bouquet that she made for me. It's so pretty. I'm so happy. Look how cute it is.